How to fix Windows activation error 0xC004F025 in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First, just head over to your search bar and simply search in for activation settings. So to solve this issue, first what you might want to try is updating your product key. So just try changing your product key if you haven't using your organization's original product key. So it might try to fix it. So once you do that, next thing, just head over to your troubleshoot, and if you see any troubleshoot option, in my case it's activated so it's not showing, but in your case if you see any troubleshooting options regarding your activation issue, you just have to tap on that particular option to simply troubleshoot and let the PC know itself or fix itself for the issue. And another thing, just head back to your search bar and simply run the command prompt as an administrator. So once you run it as an administrator, just type in the following keyword which I'll be providing. So now just type in slmgr.vvs space -rearm, and once you do that, just hit the enter button and try restarting your PC, and once you do that, your issue should be fixed successfully. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.